AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about UD against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find a link. It says swing like a pro. So click on that link, then come to this page where you can watch these recent trades and you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. And if you want to book consultation, you can speak to me one-to-one. You can do that here and join the free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have not broken this low. So this red candle closed just above this red candle, and then we had two blue candles going up. So right now we are just wandering around or above the EMA, so we are not down, and this low is not broken either. So officially I will not say we are in the downtrend because this low needs to break for the official downtrend to begin. So from here we have just been hanging around over the EMA, and in 4 hour we had been doing a small uptrend. So last week I think I already told you that we might go until the EMA. So we have to just wait and watch. Right now, I will not look for any trades in this. I think opportunity was here, okay, here or maybe here. But now I think you don't have much to go for. So unless a pullback happens, okay. So I think this might go and touch the EMA, but I don't see any solid entry. So we will leave it for now. And because Delhi as well does not have any gas, you can see it has not been giving us any huge movement. It has been doing zigzag only. So if this low breaks, we go down. If all of these highs break, then we'll look for long. So for now, wait and watch. That's all you have to do. All right. If you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.